I love about TK is the amount of teacher-student connection. You really feel like the teacher really cares about what you're learning in the classroom, and you can even see teachers doing stuff like taking kids out to lunches, getting breakfast for them. Just a bunch of stuff that you really won't find anywhere else, and you should definitely find out more about it on December 7th at the TKA Open House.
One of my favorite things about TKA is just how easy it is to get involved with activities that go way beyond academics. In my personal experience, joining theater, joining student leadership at King's, it is very open and it's very welcoming to people who want to try out new things. And I think that the communities within each of those activities are also very accepting and are super caring for you.
What I love about TKA is all the different enriched classes. All the classes here aren't the basic lecture-based classes, but they have a lot of projects, research opportunities, and different activities that always keep you engaged and excited to learn, which is why you should check out our open house on December 7th to learn more about these classes.